Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Lovelawns. My name is Kai, and in this video I just wanted to give you a bit of an update with the update on the 325 ILK after using it for about probably nearly 2 years now. This is the second one that we've got, and yeah, we've swapped out the speed feed head, but other than that, this is just exactly how it comes, and it's been brilliant. Now, Husqvarna are bringing out the new 525 ILK soon, which is looking like a nice bit of gear. I'm not too sure what the major differences are with it. A little bit more power, I would imagine, and I guess it's classed as a commercial unit, you know, commercial. Whereas this one is only classed as a semi-professional. Harley, shush. This one's classed as a sort of semi-professional, top of the range homeowner unit as far as Husqvarna are concerned, but I've been using this one and the other one we've got every day in our business for the last 2 years, and it's been faultless. Like, honestly, absolutely brilliant bit of kit. Just the right amount of power, just the right amount of balance and weight, run time and all that sort of stuff is just perfect. Like, I never think, oh, I wish it had more power, or I wish I had more. Well, you always think you wish it had more runtime. I mean, but for the battery and weight ratio, the runtime's brilliant. Nice intuitive controls on here. Obviously, nice, easy push in and pull to go, which you don't even really notice when you're using it, which is great. Some of the other ones are a bit more complicated. But yeah, I couldn't really say anything bad about this. When I initially reviewed it, I didn't have a single negative thing to say about it, and I'm still the same now 2 years later. So I did have to change one of these recently, the actual whippy attachment, because the gearbox went and it was just easier to get a whole new one. But other than that, you know, nothing's gone wrong with it. Both of these have been exceptional, and I love having these battery tools, particularly this one from Husqvarna, and the hedges. But this has just nailed it for us as far as a battery whippy goes. Tried all the other ones, and there's some good ones out there now. The Makita one's very good. Recently tried that one. Ego's got good power and stuff, just wasn't for us. The Stihl 135 is good as well. I'll be doing a bit more of a review on that soon and a comparison. But this one, just for us, it's just perfect. Great balance, great runtime, great power. Change out the head and it works fantastic. Like, one of the things, and I've said this in some of my other videos, that I love about Husqvarna is they really think about ergonomics in their products, more so than I've noticed in any other brand's products. Like, they really think about it and pay a lot of attention to how you're actually going to be using the tool in the field day in and day out. And they think about subtle little things that when you're using it constantly make quite a big difference. Yeah, the only thing I wish they would do is put the nice rubber handle on that you get with the 525 LST, but you will get that with the 525 ILK, the new one that's coming out. So I guess because that is the commercial one and this isn't, but you know, it's fine. It was more important on the petrol ones because of the vibrations, but you don't really get the vibrations on this the same. So yep, that's our little update on the 325 ILK from Husqvarna. One thing I would note actually is this mechanism here is good, but I think it could be better. It does work, but I find sometimes it's a bit fiddly to get it in the hole. Like, it doesn't for some reason quite line up. I know a few of my colleagues and friends and stuff have had a couple of dramas with that as well. So I think the way Makita have done this is perfect, brilliant. So maybe if some of these guys could take a few cues out of that one, out of that book, that would be good. But yeah, other than that, brilliant bit of kit, highly recommended. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.